Hey friends, this video shares the recipe for making grass jelly, a refreshing chilled dessert. Grass jelly comes from a leafy plant and is vegetarian. It's super easy to make and a wonderfully cooling treat for the warmer months ahead. For the ingredients have grass jelly powder, water, and sugar. This dessert is medium sweet. Feel free to adjust the sugar to your taste. Transfer the grass jelly powder into a medium saucepan. Add the sugar. Add 2 cups water. This can be room temperature or cold water. Stir together, dissolving the powder. Add the remaining 2 cups water and mix well. I add the water in 2 parts because I find it easier to dissolve the powder with less water. Let the mixture rest for 10 minutes. Over medium heat, start warming the grass jelly mixture. Using a spatula, stir the mixture. While stirring, scrape the bottom of the pan to remove any settling. If you've made grass jelly in the past and had a really lumpy texture, one of the reasons is not stirring the bottom, where the powder tends to settle. In 3 to 4 minutes, the mixture should start to thicken and become lumpy. Now with the whisk, mix together until the mixture is smooth. Continue whisking, letting the grass jelly mixture come to a gentle boil. Once it comes to a boil, turn off the heat and continue whisking for another minute. Be sure to bring the mixture to a boil to activate the gel. Transfer the grass jelly mixture into a heat-safe dish. Work quickly. Once removed from the heat, the jelly starts to set. This is an optional step. Skim off any bubbles from the top or pop them with a toothpick. Let the jelly cool at room temperature for about an hour to an hour and a half. Refrigerate the jelly for at least 2 hours. Once the jelly is set, it's really easy to remove from the dish. Invert the dish and it should pop right out. Cut the grass jelly into slices and then into cubes. Here's a really simple way to enjoy the grass jelly. Add some crushed ice into a glass. Add the grass jelly and sprinkle with some sugar. Another delicious way to enjoy the grass jelly is to top it with some chilled coconut milk. My favorite is to add the jelly to an icy drink. It makes for a fun and refreshing beverage. Hi, I hope you've enjoyed this easy how-to video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to post below. For full recipes, check out RunAwayRice.com. I work on new recipes each week, so please subscribe to my channel to stay tuned. This is Trang wishing you good eating and good health. Thanks for watching.